Hello and welcome. Azion's dynamic and static file template improves content delivery by applying caching rules to static, dynamic, and image files, as well as allowing image optimization directly at the edge. With it, you can quickly set up an application on the edge and link your domain to optimize the performance of your content using Azion as a CDN. Let's say you have an application outside Azion, such as httbingo.org, and you just want to optimize performance without worrying about security. To begin with, we give our project a name, such as Faster HTTP Bingo, and set the origin address and custom host header to httbingo.org. After filling in this information, click on Deploy. As this template only deals with performance settings, deployment will be quick. In a few seconds, the domain will be created and we'll need to wait for it to propagate. In the meantime, we can check the rules applied, which are the same as in the Azion starter kit, but without the security part. In the Origins menu, you'll see that there is only one single origin pointing to httpbingo.org. The caching rules include default caching, static caching, and caching for images. In the rules engine, the three rules configured are the default rule, which defines the origin and the default cache, the static cache rule, which optimizes the cache for static files, and the image cache rule, which activates image optimization. Now that the domain has been propagated, we can test the performance of our site. Let's compare the latency of the original httbingo.org with that of the domain optimized by Azion. First, we make a request using httpbingo.org. The latency is high, which could indicate an overload on the original server. Now let's test the domain optimized by Azion. In the first request, we get a miss, meaning that the request still has to go to httbingo.org, keeping latency high. After a few requests, we got a hit, which drastically reduced the latency to around 0.1 seconds. This clearly demonstrates how the dynamic and static file optimization template improves content delivery performance. With this, we can conclude that this template is an effective tool for optimizing the performance of applications, such as httbingo.org, without the need to configure security measures.